Pastor Sam. And now we will hear from Jeff's beloved when he came.
Good afternoon. My voice is not bad. Thank you everyone for coming here, my friends, my families, my church family. My husband Jeffrey Carl Huse was born January 6, 49, raised from Oakland, California. Went to Concord, California in high school. In college is Chico State, California University. He became a developer, businessman, and landscaper, broker, and food broker. And he is the one who supplied the See's Candies. That's a famous See's Candies. And Jeff likes it, that's why he fell in love with me. Sweeter than honey. And that's me. So he's an outdoor man and adventurous. He loves hunting and fishing. And he's a hunting guide and fishing guide for almost 50, 60 years. He caught the gorgeous Filipina mermaid. And he called me honey or boss. I know when he's mad, he calls me king. Jeff is a good Christian man. He loves going to church. He loves Jesus. And a great family man. And he is a giver. He would rather to give than to receive. He loves his grandchildren, Poopy, and kids. He always surprises me with flowers, and makes me feel very special. And he travel a lot. Alaska, Europe, Mexico for hunting and fish. But for him, the best place he has been was the Philippines. Jeff is a down-to-earth kind of person, but he knows when enough is enough. He likes dancing with me. He used to do TikTok. My husband is my best friend and also my mentor. And also my best enemy. My lifesaver and my great provider. And Jeff is a kind of person my husband was. Love God above all. Honest, sincere, loving, and sweet. And that's what I will keep and treasure forever in my heart. I know Jeff is resting with the Lord. And I miss him, and I love him so much, and I know he's guiding me forever. Thank you, Jeff, for 11 years, and I love you so much, and Poopy. Poopy is my turtles, our baby. So thank you everyone for all being here today for my husband, and thank you for your presence, love and support, and remembering my husband. Even you met my husband one day in the hospital, my co-worker. He met you guys in the party. Even one time he talked to you, say hi. So thank you for coming here. And it means a lot to me and my family. God bless us all.